Hi guys, Ryan Harris here. I'm the owner and operator of Earth Technologies LLC. We are the EcoBoard capital. Making surfboards is awesome, but it's actually really messy. In creating these EcoBoards, we actually create a lot of waste and trash and can't recycle that. And so it's about eliminating that waste or using that waste somehow so that it never goes into a landfill. And that's what we're here to talk about. That's what this project is all about. So what do we do with all of our waste? It's these little worms that are basically going to save this planet. These little mealworms actually eat styrofoam. The other thing they mow out and chew up is wood. You heard me right. They eat styrofoam and wood and poop out organic soil. The second system that we're launching is actually our board recycling / deposit program. Said customer brings in a board for recycling instead of it going into the landfill. We can actually shape a bunch of hand planes out of this. We will actually utilize as much of this foam as possible to get a usable product out of. Now, the rest of it, well, once it's been broken down by the two different machines, the shredder and the densifier, it actually will go into molds for usable products. They come out of the molds and we've got fins, hand planes, leash plugs, and all kinds of goodies that can actually be used in the water. And we have now found a permanent solution for all of our waste. And it's cool because it's going to be used in boards and in the water.